One of the most striking and dramatic features of the desert landscape is the massive crack that has appeared in the Arizona desert. This 2-mile-long fissure, caused by the withdrawal of groundwater, is a stark visual representation of the impact human activity can have on the environment. The crack continues to grow, revealing the fragility of the Earth's surface and the delicate balance that sustains life in these arid regions. It serves as a powerful reminder that even in the vast and seemingly unchanging desert, our actions can have profound and lasting effects. The crack in the Arizona desert is not just a geological phenomenon. It is a symbol of the environmental challenges we face and the urgent need to find sustainable ways to live in harmony with our planet. In a completely different vein, our exploration of desert oddities brings us to Salvation Mountain in California. This vibrant and colorful creation is the work of Leonard Knight, a man driven by his faith and a desire to spread a message of love and hope. Salvation Mountain is a hillside covered in bright, hand-painted murals and biblical messages, created over decades by Knight using adobe, straw, and thousands of gallons of paint. Despite the harsh desert conditions, this labor of love has become a beloved landmark, attracting visitors from all over the world. It stands as a testament to the power of human creativity and the ability to find beauty and meaning in even the most desolate places. Salvation Mountain is not just an art installation. It is a symbol of one man's unwavering dedication to his beliefs and his determination to create something beautiful in a world that can often feel harsh and unforgiving. Tonight, we embark on an extraordinary journey through some of the most remote, enigmatic, and awe-inspiring landscapes on Earth: the deserts. These vast and often unforgiving expanses have long captured the human imagination, not just for their stark beauty, but for the mysteries and oddities they conceal. From ancient ruins to modern marvels, from eerie natural formations to human-made curiosities, deserts are places where the ordinary and the extraordinary collide, leaving us with more questions than answers. So, buckle up as we delve into the hidden wonders of the world's deserts, exploring sites that challenge our understanding of history, science, and the very nature of life itself. Our adventure begins in the Utah desert, where one of the most fascinating and futuristic research facilities on Earth is located: the Mars Desert Research Station, or MDRS. Operated by the Mars Society, this station is not just a collection of buildings in the middle of nowhere. It is a gateway to the future of space exploration. Here, scientists, engineers, and students come together to simulate life on Mars, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and endurance. The landscape around MDRS is eerily reminiscent of the Red Planet, with its rocky terrain, sparse vegetation, and reddish hues. This environment is perfect for testing the technologies and procedures that will one day take humans to Mars. Over the years, MDRS has become a hub of innovation, where participants conduct field studies, develop new tools, and explore the psychological challenges of long-term isolation in a hostile environment. The work done here is not just theoretical. It has real-world applications that bring us closer to becoming an interplanetary species. It's a place where the line between science fiction and reality begins to blur, and the dream of setting foot on another planet starts to feel within reach. As we leave Utah behind, we travel across the globe to the Namib Desert, one of the oldest and driest deserts on Earth. Here, in this seemingly barren and inhospitable environment, we find one of nature's most extraordinary survivors, the Welwitschia mirabilis. This plant, which looks like a tangled mess of leathery ribbons, is unlike anything else on the planet. It is a living fossil, a relic from a time when the Earth was a very different place. The Welwitschia has just 2 leaves, but these leaves grow continuously throughout its life, which can span over 1,000 years. This incredible longevity is matched by its ability to thrive in conditions that would kill most other plants. The Welwitschia draws moisture from deep underground, and its leaves are specially adapted to capture dew from the air, allowing it to survive in the harsh, arid climate of the Namib Desert. But even this ancient plant is not immune to the changes sweeping across our planet. Climate change is altering weather patterns and threatening the delicate balance that has allowed the Welwitschia to survive for millennia. Scientists are racing to understand how this remarkable plant can continue to thrive in a world that is rapidly changing. From the ancient wonders of the Namib, we move to a modern marvel of engineering that cuts through one of the largest deserts on Earth, Saudi Arabia's Highway 10. This road, which holds the title of the world's longest straight stretch of highway, is an astonishing 256 kilometers long. It slices through the empty quarter, or Rub al-Khali, the largest continuous sand desert in the world. Driving along Highway 10 is an experience unlike any other. For hours on end, there is no need to turn the wheel as the road stretches out in a perfectly straight line, flanked by vast expanses of sand dunes and a sky that seems to go on forever. The monotony of the landscape can be almost hypnotic, and it serves as a powerful reminder of just how small we are in the face of nature's grandeur. But this road is more than just a feat of engineering. It is also a symbol of human determination and the desire to conquer even the most challenging environments. Originally built as a private road for King Fahd, Highway 10 is now a vital link across the desert, a lifeline that connects remote communities and facilitates the flow of goods and people across this inhospitable region. Our journey through the deserts wouldn't be complete without delving into the ancient history hidden beneath the sands. In 2022, archaeologists made a remarkable discovery in Jordan's eastern desert, a 9,000-year-old shrine that offers a rare glimpse into the spiritual and hunting practices of ancient peoples. This shrine, which includes marine fossils, animal figurines, and a model of a desert kite, a large stone structure used for hunting animals, provides invaluable insights into a time when this now barren land was teeming with life. The discovery is a poignant reminder that deserts, despite their current harshness, were once fertile and vibrant ecosystems. The people who lived here were deeply connected to the land and the animals that roamed it, and they left behind these sacred sites as testaments to their beliefs and way of life. The shrine is a window into a forgotten world, a time when the desert was not a place of desolation, but of life and abundance. From the ancient to the modern, we now turn our attention to a beacon of sustainability in the heart of the California desert, the Mojave Desert Solar Park. Spanning 164 acres, this massive solar farm is a shining example of how we can harness the power of the sun to meet our energy needs. The Mojave Desert is one of the sunniest places in the United States, making it an ideal location for solar energy production. The solar park generates enough electricity to power 9,000 homes annually, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping to combat climate change. But the Mojave Desert Solar Park is more than just a power plant. It is a symbol of hope and innovation. It represents our ability to turn one of the planet's most challenging environments into a source of clean, renewable energy. As we look to the future, projects like this will be crucial in our efforts to create a more sustainable world, where we live in harmony with the environment rather than at its expense. As we explore the deserts of the world, we also encounter some of the most unique and specialized creatures that have adapted to life in these harsh environments. One such creature is the Myrmecocystus, better known as the honey ant, which is native to the arid regions of Australia. These ants have evolved a fascinating survival strategy that allows them to thrive in environments where food and water are often scarce. Certain members of the colony, known as repletes, gorge themselves on nectar and other sugary liquids until their abdomens swell to many times their normal size. These repletes then hang from the ceilings of the nest, storing the precious liquids like living larders. When food is scarce, the other ants tap into this stored supply by gently stroking the repletes, who then regurgitate the nectar to feed the colony. This extraordinary adaptation has enabled the honey ant to survive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, turning its own body into a living pantry that ensures the survival of the entire colony. As we continue our journey, we stumble upon one of the most haunting sights in any desert, the ghost town of Kolmanskop in Namibia. Once a bustling diamond mining town, Kolmanskop was abandoned in the 1950s after the diamond rush came to an end. Today, the town is slowly being reclaimed by the desert, with sand filling the once luxurious homes and businesses, creating an eerie landscape that feels frozen in time. Walking through the sand-filled rooms of Kolmanskop is like stepping into a post-apocalyptic world, where the remnants of human civilization are slowly being swallowed by the relentless advance of nature. The town is a powerful reminder of the transient nature of human endeavors and the unstoppable force of the natural world. Despite its eerie appearance, Kolmanskop has become a popular destination for photographers and tourists, drawn by the haunting beauty of this desert ghost town and the stories it tells of a bygone era. In another corner of the desert, we find an unexpected treasure buried beneath the sands: the wreck of the Voyages, a Portuguese ship that sank off the coast of Namibia in 1533. Discovered in 2008, the ship was remarkably well preserved, thanks to the dry conditions of the desert. Inside, archaeologists found a treasure trove of gold coins, copper ingots, and other valuable artifacts, offering a rare glimpse into the world of 16th century maritime trade. The discovery of the Voyages is a reminder that the desert, despite its harsh and desolate appearance, can also be a place of preservation, where the sands protect and conceal the secrets of the past for centuries. The shipwreck is not just a fascinating historical find. It is also a testament to the power of the desert to keep its secrets, only revealing them when the time is right. One of the most mysterious and controversial sites in any desert is Area 51, the highly secretive military base located in the Nevada desert. For decades, Area 51 has been the subject of countless conspiracy theories, with many believing that it is the site of secret government, experiments, UFO sightings, and perhaps even extraterrestrial encounters. The base's association with UFOs began in the late 1940s and 1950s, a time when America was gripped by a fascination with flying saucers and alien life. The government's tight-lipped approach to Area 51 only fueled the rumors, and the base has since become a symbol of secrecy and intrigue. Despite numerous investigations and the release of previously classified documents, the true nature of the activities conducted at Area 51 remains shrouded in mystery. For many, the base represents the tantalizing possibility that we are not alone in the universe, and that the truth is still out there, waiting to be discovered. Our journey through the deserts of the world also takes us to a site that offers a direct link to the ancient past: the discovery of 4 remarkably well-preserved Roman swords near the Dead Sea. These swords, hidden away in a cave for nearly 900 years, provide a fascinating glimpse into the history of the Roman Empire and the role of the desert in preserving artifacts from the past. The dry conditions of the desert have kept these swords in astonishingly good condition, offering a rare opportunity for historians and archaeologists to study them in detail. The discovery is a reminder that the deserts of the world are not just barren wastelands. They are also repositories of history, where the past is preserved in ways that are often impossible in more temperate climates. As we continue to explore these ancient sites, we gain new insights into the lives of the people who once lived in these harsh environments and the ways in which they adapted to the challenges they faced. In a more modern and unsettling discovery, we come across the charred remains of a Boeing 727 in the Saharan desert of Mali. Found in 2009, this aircraft initially appeared to be the site of a tragic crash. However, further investigation revealed a different story. The plane had been used for smuggling and was deliberately set on fire after landing on a makeshift airstrip. This ghostly relic, abandoned in the middle of the desert, is a stark reminder of the darker side of human activity in these remote regions. It tells a story of danger, deception, and the lengths to which people will go in the pursuit of profit. The sight of the burned-out Boeing 727 standing alone in the vastness of the Sahara is both haunting and captivating, a symbol of the hidden dangers that can lurk in the most unexpected places. As we delve deeper into the deserts, we also uncover evidence of their own shifting histories. The ancient rock art found in the Sahara Desert is one of the most compelling examples of how these landscapes have changed over time. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was not the arid desert we know today, but a lush grassland teeming with life. The rock art, which depicts animals such as giraffes, elephants, and crocodiles, offers a vivid glimpse into this forgotten era. These artworks are a testament to the people who once lived in this region, who hunted and thrived in an environment that was vastly different from the desert we see today. The changing climate gradually turned the Sahara into the desert it is now, but the rock art remains as a reminder of a time when this land was full of life and possibility. In the Nevada desert, we find another oddity that has captured the imaginations of people from around the world: the black mailbox. Located near the infamous Area 51, this ordinary-looking mailbox has become a pilgrimage site for UFO enthusiasts. For years, people have been drawn to this remote location, leaving messages, trinkets, and gifts for extraterrestrial beings they hope might be passing by. The black mailbox has become a symbol of the enduring human fascination with the unknown and the belief that we are not alone in the universe. It is a place where the ordinary meets the extraordinary, where the hopes and dreams of people converge in the most unlikely of places. The desert, with its vast emptiness and isolation, seems like the perfect setting for such encounters. And the black mailbox stands as a testament to the power of belief and the mysteries that still captivate our imagination.